Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So getting into the video, I will be doing some press on nails today, but quickly I did want to show you we do have some full cover nail tips on our website. These have honestly been on our website for about a month now, I believe, but I'm just barely showing them on here on my YouTube videos. So we do have 5 different lengths and shapes, but this first one here is our long coffin. This one does come in sizes 0 to 11, so it does have 12 sizes in the box, and it does have 504 pieces. Same with this one here. This is our long stiletto, which could also be used to create a nice almond shape as well. Again, sizes 0 to 11 for this nail shape as well. We decided it was best to add full cover nail tips for anyone who does press on nails or gel X nails. We wanted to give them some variety as well. This next one here is our medium squared nail tips. These are perfect length, I would say, for like medium square. Again, this is sizes 0 through 11. I absolutely love all of the full cover nail tips that we did release, and I hope anyone who has purchased them so far loves them as well. This one does have 504 pieces too. So this one here is a long square, and it has only 360 pieces, and I was honestly a bit frustrated when I did receive this batch because I did communicate to my supplier that I wanted them all to have sizes 0 through 11, but when I got this one, I realized it was not sizes 0 through 11, even though it shows those numbers on the box. It is only sizes 0 through 9, and then in the 10 and 11 slot here, it does have some 5s and 6 refills, so at least you get some refills out of it. But I did really want to have all like 12, I would say 12 sizes, so that way there's more variety for those who have smaller nail beds. And it's the same here for our medium almond nail tips. They only come in sizes 0 through 9, even though it does show sizes 0 through 11 on the top portion of this box. Again, in sizes 10 and 11 slots here will be more 5s and 6 refills. So in the future, I will be looking for not another supplier, but I will be trying to communicate that better, that I want the long square and the medium almond in sizes 0 through 11, so that way those who have smaller nail beds and may need to use like the sizes 10 or 11 could have those as well. So like I mentioned, these are all available on our website. You can absolutely use a brand ambassador code to save 20% on your orders, or we will be having a sale here soon, either later today or tomorrow. We have tons and tons of new products coming in, and we have absolutely no room for them, so we do kind of want to have like a cleaning out type of sale, and we are going to be having a pretty big discount. So if you're interested in purchasing any of our Kairos Nail Supply products or restocking on your favorites, stay tuned, and I will post on our community tabs here about the sale. Now quickly there, I was just showing you the apex on these. They're all the same on all the nail tips. They're not super high, but they're not like a super flat type of nail, if that makes sense. But they will fit perfectly on those that do have flatter nail beds. I tend to have flatter nail beds, and I did try these on my nails, and they fit perfectly and they stay on there perfectly. So like I said, if you're interested in like purchasing these for gel X nails or press on nails, these are perfect for that. Now, honestly, I'm going to be just letting you guys watch the rest of the video without a voiceover. I don't really feel like doing a voiceover for my videos. I just like enjoying, like if it was me watching my videos, I just like to enjoy watching the process of the videos while listening to some nice calming music. So I will go ahead and just let you guys watch the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy how the set comes out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!